What's going on, guys? Today we're taking a look at the eufy X10 Pro Omni Smart Vacuum and Mop, and this has been rated one of CES's top robotic vacuums for 2024. It features over 8,000 PA of ultra powerful suction. That's powerful than a lot of the other flagship competitors on the market currently. It's also got AI sense, so it will detect things like obstacles such as shoes, children's toys, pets. It also features dynamic mopping, so it's got two rotating mop heads, and they will retract and when it's on carpet, and they'll come back out when it's on hardwood floor. It's got a built-in dock for cleaning those mop pads. It's got an empty water tank and a clean water tank, as well as the auto empty dust bin. It's also got this Pro detangle comb, so when it's finished vacuuming, it's going to comb through those brushes in case you have pets, you have long hair on the floor, things like that. And so let's go ahead and just unbox this here. So this latest robot from eufy does rival a lot of the robovac Q-Revos, the eufy X10, some of those other flagship models at a much more affordable price. This comes in at under $1,000. Unboxing it, here are some quick instructions. I'm going to go ahead and skip that since I'll show you how that works. Inside the box, we have an instruction manual with QR code to download and install the app. Pulling out this box here, we expose the actual robot vacuum. So here we have a power cord, the home base, and here is the eufy robot vacuum. Again, here are those microfiber mop pads, and up here we have the roller brush and side sweep brushes. I'm also going to remove these bumpers. That's just for shipping. And here we have the base. And we can take this out to clean it. This is the self-cleaning station. And we simply take that base plate, put it right on top, and it will click into place. Here is the clean water tank. So the clean water tank holds about 3 liters, and that's about enough for a week's worth of mopping if you mop 2 to 3 times a week. And the dirty water tank is right behind it as well. The auto empty dustbin is 2.5 liters, making about enough for 60 days of auto emptying without ever having to touch it. So we simply pull here. This is the bag. It's got a nice little design that closes and seals up the bag when you toss it away, so dust and particles don't fly out. This dock also features self-cleaning again. That is located on the bottom, but there is also self-drying so that the mop pads do dry when it is sitting in the dock. That way it doesn't prevent things like smell, odor, mold, things like that. So let's go ahead, plug it in, and check it out. So to set up the dock, we simply insert the power cord here into the back of the base station. Turn it around, and you'll see the LED indicator turns on. So I've added water to the max line here. Go ahead, close the lid, and insert into the base. Now to set up the robot vacuum, go ahead and grab your smartphone, and on the camera app, scan the QR code located on the manual. This will prompt you to download the app from your app store. Okay, so once we have the app downloaded and installed, we're going to launch it. Go ahead and either create an account. If you don't have an account, you simply just put in your email and create a password. All right, once you have your account all set up, we're going to simply tap on Add Device. And here we have the X10 Pro Omni. This is going to walk us through the setup. So because the robot is already docked, it's already powered on. So I'm going to go ahead and click Next. To set up the Wi-Fi, we're going to press and hold the left and right buttons for 3 seconds.
Wi-Fi has been reset. Follow the instructions in the app to connect to the network.
Hit Connect. Now it's going to find our Wi-Fi network. Go ahead and enter your Wi-Fi password here.
Connecting Wi-Fi.
Now it's going to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi network.
Wi-Fi connection successful.
So to create a map of your house, we go ahead and tap the add icon, hit next, and I have pets, and just hit start. So once your app is set up, you can go ahead and start the robot just by hitting enter and then clicking start. To customize the type of cleaning, we click here and we can choose how quickly we want it to clean. There's also the smart mode. It's going to basically detect things, rugs, carpets, or it kind of detects if you have pets, and it can, increase the suction power when it detects that. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. So again, you have that fast, standard, or deep cleaning intensity. You can choose to vacuum or mop only, or to do both. You can choose the suction power and the water level, low, medium, and high. I have on the edge hugging mopping. So go ahead, hit start, and that will start up your robot. You can also choose which room. So I happen to only have one room on this floor, but if you had multiple rooms, you can just choose it to go one room, or you can choose zone. Say you want to just clean this corner, and then you can hit start. If you do have an area you want to clean often, you can set that zone, and actually right here, you can add a custom scenario, and then this way here, and this way here, we have quick access to that. If we tap on the base station here, we can do all the base station settings, such as empty the dustbin, wash the mop, or dry the mop. We also have more base station settings. So this is set to come back to the base station every 20 minutes when it's mopping, drying duration, how many hours you want to set it to, and how often you want it to auto empty. Now to set up schedules, which is my favorite thing, you tap the top right, you go to schedules, and right here you can add the schedules using the plus icon. So you can see here every day, daily, at 9:20, it's going to vacuum only on the max setting. So you can come in here, choose your mode. You can do mop only, vac only, or both, and then all those levels, and your repeat time. And we just hit the add icon. And now we happen to have this cleaning at this time, so the robot will start cleaning now. You can also end clean here, and that will end it. And some more things in the settings here. You have the managing app. You can see your cleaning history, how often you've cleaned. Carpet settings, base station settings, the AI settings, things like that. You can also do firmware updates or remove the device. So let's go ahead, start up the robot, and see how well it cleans. And you can see the mops are running right now. It's going to do an edge clean. eufy's dual mop heads feature an edge hugging clean, so they get very close to baseboards, things like that. You can even see that the mop heads kind of protrude, and that way it's able to get very close to edges of walls and things like that. So you can see once it gets on the carpet, it automatically will turn off the mop heads. Let's go ahead and test out that 8,000 PA suction power. And you can see I just put some macaroni on the floor and it completely sucked it all up. Now I have some fine sand. And you can see where the areas it was. It does a really great job at cleaning that up. And you can see the macaroni is completely gone. Here's a quick demo of the obstacle avoidance. I'm gonna have a shoe here. Put the shoe down, it'll automatically go around the shoe. So this is great if you have pets, children, if they leave their toys out or their shoes out. So once the robot is finished cleaning, it will automatically dock itself. It's going to empty the dustbin and clean the mop pads, dry the mop pads, as well as empty that dirty water into the dirty water tank. So here you can hear the auto empty. And now it's going to clean the mop pads. And so inside the base here, the mop pads are actually spinning against the dock, which cleans the pads. It injects in clean water to clean those mop pads and then places the dirty water into that dirty water tank. Also, the robot will occasionally come back to the dock to clean the mop pads and to continue to clean the house. That way you don't have to worry about constantly trying to keep the mop pads clean. So the last thing the robot's going to do is dry the mop pads. One feature that's really neat about this eufy robot vac that I haven't seen on any other vacuum is its smart track cleaning. So it can spot clean and you can guide it around. You simply tap and hold onto the bumper for 3 seconds. And now it will follow you around to wherever you need it to go. And so I'm going to walk it over to this mess here. And once you're done, you just simply put your foot on the right and the robot will head home. So it's really good for spot cleaning. You don't have to turn on the app or anything like that. It will just follow you right around in your home. This robot is super powerful at 8,000 PA suction power. Again, this is the eufy X10 Pro Omni. If you guys do have any questions, leave those down below. I'll leave a link in the description to the product. Also, I want to let you know about eufy's limited time offer. I'll leave a link down below to their website where they're offering $200 off when you reserve the robot for $1. This is a limited time offer, so make sure if you are interested to go ahead and get that robot soon. If you found the video helpful, hit that like button. And again, this is one of the most affordable flagship robot vacuums. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.